guys, good morning. 5:15. So, sobrang aga ko gumising because today is Thursday. It is September 26th and kids has appointment today for biometric in USAS Austin. So, we have to leave as soon as possible. Kasi yung appointment nila, guys, it's 8 in the morning. Kailangan namin dumating doon like 5. Uy, kilikili yan. Kailangan namin dumating doon ng 7:30. I know, we're going. I'm gonna wear this one. No. Kasi malamig daw sa labas, sabi niya. Palagi ko itong suot-suot, guys. Because I just love wearing this one. Then I'm gonna take this bag Ma'am Ami gave me. Wait lang. Wala naman tayo. Uy. Akong coffee. Don't forget my coffee. Bring my coffee also. Gonna wear my sleeper. Mag-sleeper na lang ko eh. Baby, ay, sorry. Isunod na to sa ano. This is a very hassle.
It's so fat.
Maybe I'll carry it for you. Idala po sinina siya. Ikot siya magpalupig sa ate. Anong fat man eh? Tayo? Sige na dali. Pag na dila. Gawas na ni ate. Come on. Tayo, let's. Coffee, please.
Ah.
This is the most, ano ba? The most,
Naka-bring ko cookie.
ako man ang bring kanya tapos mag-cravings mo while we are in the road.
Okay.
Yes, you can sleep. 5:20. So hopefully we'll get there before 7:30. Kailangan natin early. Just like nung ako yung nagpa-biometric, guys. Yeah, I have all the papers here. Ayaw kong magbalik-balik ba? Yeah, it's here.
You brought everything that you want for your appointment.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm telling you the DOD ID is the one to use.
Yeah.
Because most people come in there and they just bring their passport.
Yeah.
You have, or all of you have, a U.S. government.
So that's really like something like benefited from being with military retired thing because
It has my name on the back of your ID cards.
oh, that's true too. Dito na kami, guys. Nung nakaraan na wala pa kami dito but we knew where we're going. Okay. We're early. Few cars are here. I think.
Yeah, we're about.
We're here na application support center. Diyan ako pumunta nung nakaraan. So you can just park close.
Yeah.
Close by. Actually, there's a bakery here. Oh, we can just come there and have something. Ayan, sarado pa sila. What time is it? 7:17. So we still have so much time. So
27.
No, I think we're the earliest one.
I can't think. 28 minutes.
You believe it? We're done. Our appointment is supposedly 8, but we get in like maybe 7:50, no? In the morning. So they let us in and then we're done in less than 5 minutes, both of my kids. And then they're not actually doing fingerprinting for the kids, guys. They're only like taking photo, both of them, and then they have they ask them to write their name in a digital thing. Before last week for me, I just like my signature, but for them, for the kids, just their name. You know, it was just so very fast and easy, and that's it. Now the sun is out, very out. So we're heading to find a place to eat, or maybe we'll be doing drive-through na lang. We haven't eaten breakfast pa talaga. Yeah, I know. We're heading back after we get food. Because you need to attend school and hopefully we can still be able to catch up for your third period. Hi guys, a little update today. It's already 10:45 in the morning. We already sent the kids to their school. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. That's because ano namang makikita nyo, diba? It's just like we're driving for about 2 hours today. Yeah, and now we are like topping gas kasi naubusan. Almost nagka-low gas na si Belle. Mayroon na siyang signal na low gas. So ngayon nagpa-gas kami. And then since we are here already, we are actually like here at the HEB gas station here at Bryan. So we will be wala pala kami sa Lowe's na. We will be going to Lowe's by the way kasi meron kaming bibilhin. Yesterday bumili ako ng curtain. I bought curtain when we went to Target kasi nagpunta kaming Target kahapon. And then I also purchased, after Target we went to Lowe's and I got the curtain rod, pero nagkamali ako ng size nung isa kasi akala ko same sizes lang yung window sa living area namin. But then late I realized that our window has different sizes. I mean when it comes to the width. So mali yung isa kong nabili na curtain rod, but it's fine because I can be able to use that rod also sa kitchen. Now that I think about it, sabi ko hindi ko na yun ibabalik kasi nabuksan ko na and then nakat ko na yung box is giniba ko na guys. So guba ng box. And then yeah, I was looking at the kitchen. I was like, yeah, I can be able to use that one on the kitchen side. So ang gagawin ko naman is like aside from the rod, I have to purchase also the curtain for the kitchen. But ito yung pinakamaganda kasi yung kitchen namin maliit lang yung size ng width ng bintana doon. So we don't really have to buy like malaki na curtain. One is enough. And there's funny thing. Oo nga, hindi ko pala na video yun. Parang I forgot the video. Merong nangyari guys. What's so funny about today? Alam niyo ba kung ano nangyari today? When we send Yashley to school, itong asawa ko, nag-drove na kami. Buti, we are in a safe na area. May nakita siyang tumatakbo na horse. Actually, police are chasing the horse. Ayun, pinuntahan. Iniwan kami sa car.
We're fine.
We're fine.
Yeah.
We're still alive.
11.9 gallons. we have a 12-gallon tank.
Yeah, do we?
Yeah. We had at least another mile or two.
Why? We're going on a road trip?
Well, before we ran out of gas. Yeah.
We're so
I
fine.
estimated that just right.
Kaya nga, that's what I said. Na nag-low na kanina yung gas eh. And he was like, oh. Well, it's cheaper nga in HEB. It's like 2.57 per
That's the
gallon
cheapest gas we've seen.
here. So yeah, we're here in Bryan. Next destination, Lowe's na tayo guys. And then we'll be going home. Honestly, I did never film for the past week. I think the last video was when I went to Austin as well for my biometric. But after that, I didn't film at all because hindi ko alam, pagod din ako minsan. So today I was like, okay, let me film today because taking the girls to Austin also for their biometric. So I think some of you might wanted an update like that. Those who followed and watched the video when I make a video about the visa thing. Because one of these one of these days I might be making a video about everything, yung step by step, like para sa visa natin here in the USA, adjustment of status. And then for the past few days may ginawa ako guys, preparing our bedroom naman. Nakafocus kami sa bedroom. We will be painting our bedroom as well. That's what I said from previous vlog, that we are going to also repaint our bedroom. Same color yun ng bedroom ng kids. And because we need to paint it before the furniture arrive kasi meron kaming bagong furnitures na dadating from Furniture Row, which we purchased it August 31st. Yung nagkaroon sila ng labor sale. Actually, nag-vlog ako ng time na yun, guys. And then we will be delivering it. This is like 62 weeks. Am I right? 68. So it's about 2 months.
Mid to late October.
Yeah, so parang by October, meron na kaming bagong furniture sa aming bedroom. And then yun yung pinakita ko sa vlog ko nung nag-shopping kami when it comes to bedroom furniture. And I'm so excited because we will be having a beautiful furniture in our bedroom. We'll be working on painting today, and Belle will be working on maybe the kitchen. Are you gonna work on our kitchen
Depends
today?
on how long it takes to repair the dryer.
Ay, oo nga pala, yung dryer na, binabuang ang dryer, guys. I was washing laundry yesterday. 3 loads yun. Ang dryer, ay, nahungaw ang dryer. Hindi man mo init, guys. So, I was just trying to like dry all the clothes that I wash. And it was just so annoying. I've been drying it for like more than an hour. What yun din dry, oy, amot na lang. Mura na gituyok-tuyok. So, walang init na bumubuga sa dryer. So, there's something wrong about that dryer that we have to figure it out today. Kasi yung nagtambak yung mga nalabhan ko, guys, hindi pa na-dry. Ay, nabuang na. Yay! That's my favorite. Look. Ito nga yung gustong-gusto ko na ano. Marami na silang display here, guys. Oh, abutan yung ano, like, I want this one. This is the Christmas tree that I wanted. Ito yun, oh. Meron siyang pa-white and everything. Snow. I want this. You're walking too fast. Come on. You're walking too fast. Huh? Why am I following you? Guys, you know what's funny? I am here outside for plants area. Binibenta pala nila tong fern. Look, it's a fern. $17.98. Crazy. Ala, I want this. This one is nice. How much is this? $21. Parang gusto ko to. Maghahanap tayo ng plants na pwede mag-survive ng kahit winter. Ang mahal naman. So what? I found the kind of parang Christmas tree sa New York ba? Ito pala yun. Ganito siya, guys. Oh. Yan, oh, meron sila dito. Pero iba yung pangalan. Carolina Sapphire Cypress. Ayan, oh, $26.98. So, like, $27 for like this. Ito, same price sila. Can we get one? It's so nice. That would be nice.
It's a cypress tree.
Yeah, it
Those
can. So,
those trees that are dead, those are probably cypress or
no.
maybe
I was
cedar.
looking for the, I was searching in Google. It can survive in winter. It can survive in summer. So I think this is really, it's not seasonal thing. You wanna like get like this one, and then we'll surround it with flowers. One of this, and this one. This is not pine tree, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of pine tree, but in a different variety. Yeah, it's also like, yeah, but I like this better because there's a white thing at the edge of the leaves. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not really like expert when it comes to plant. Papaya. Baligya sa papaya dito, guys. Magkano? How much? How much is it? $13.98. So mga $14. This one will be nice too. I see this in the Philippines na ginawang landscape ba yung mga ito. Palm tree ba yung tawag nito, guys? No, palm tree. Ito may naka-clearance. Tingnan natin yung naka-clearance. Ala! Tingnan yung naka-clearance here, oh. Kamat yun nun man. Walang nag-clearance.
Blueberries.
This won't grow. Where?
Right there.
It's almost dead. It's like if you can save it, you can purchase it and save it. This one is nice also. Clearance. This one is clearance also. That one is nice. We are home. So, yan. Nabili na namin yung pinunta namin sa Lowe's today, which is this one. Yung curtain rod, guys. And then, he's putting it there. Kasi yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo, mas malaki pala yung size ng bintana dyan compared to here. So ito, he installed this yesterday. So meron na kaming curtain dyan. And I think maganda to pag mag-add pa tayo ng isa pa para mas ma-crumple something. Dalawa lang kasi to guys. So ganda na siya tingnan pag meron talagang curtain. I like it. Why I choose white? Because white is clean. Mas maganda kasi tingnan pag merong white. Pag white yung mga, para mag-complement siya sa lahat. So, by the way, meron na tayong mga nalagay na mga bookshelves, bagong bookshelves, guys. Ito, binili din namin to sa Lowe's. Hindi na nga ako makapag-vlog for the past week. Kasi nga, ang daming nangyari. And then, ayan, nakapag-arrange na rin tayo ng ating shelves. Yung mga books ni Belle dyan. Then, may books din dyan. And then, yung dalawang layer dyan. Tingnan natin kung anong ilalagay natin. And then, this one also, nabili ko yun sa Target. Pakita ko sa inyo kasi sobrang nagagandahan ako nito, guys. This one is a fake plant. Fake plant lang yan. Hindi yan real. So, ito kasi nakita ko, yung kanyang pot. Para siyang, anong tawag ito? Ha? Here. This one, para siyang vintage ba, kung baga. Sa Pinas, parang banga ba, kung baga. Alam yung banga? Alam niyo talaga yung banga. So, I got this one for like, I think $15 or 16. Hindi ko na maalala. Parang 16 ata. Bili namin ito, guys. Maganda siya, oh. Oh, diba? Pang-add lang. Pang-add lang ng beauty. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-create ng ating pa-display sa ating living area because paunti-unti pa akong bumibili ng mga kailangan namin ilalagay. And then I'm also thinking na maglalagay kami ng picture frame kasi if you guys notice, hindi talaga kami nakapaglagay ng picture frame pa sa bahay. That's because we remove all the picture frames kasi nga nagpipaint kami, 'di ba? And, kind of busy. So, walang time pa ibalik yung mga picture frame. But we have to, ako mag-arrange lahat. So, to make sure na magiging okay yung ating arrangement. Gaya ng kapitbahay. This is a real pumpkin. Kasi Halloween here in the US is really a big thing that they actually celebrate. Sa Pinas, hindi tayo nag-celebrate ng mga ganyan. But here, sa USA, they do celebrate.
Happy?
Yes. That looks nice. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sobrang aga namin nagising kanina. Like, sobrang aga. Crazy. And, yeah, thank God it's done. It's done and it's over for biometric thing. I think the next time that we have to leave as well is yung sa interview na, which is, I don't know when, but probably months from now. Hopefully, mabilis lang, but yeah, I think he said to me na parang hindi na kailangan namin dalhin yung mga kids sa interview. So, it's just me and him. I think it's just me for the green card thing. So, we'll see, guys. We'll find out with their instructions. And I'm just so grateful kasi meron ako. I have the case tracker. So, every time they posted or updated my case, the kids' case, I would be able to find it out before, like magme-mail kasi sila ng paper magme-mail sila ng paper document sa amin kung meron siyang kailangan. But yeah, makikita ko kasi siya sa case tracker, which is a really good thing to have if you are now on this kind of process with your adjustment of status. Make sure you have downloaded case tracker for your case. Easy to see lang. Whenever you wanted to see, just you can be able to see it. Para alam mo yung mga nangyayari. So, in my case, kasi I had a biometric last week. It's still ongoing na ni-review ng USCIS. So, it's been a week. And I have no idea kung ano nangyayari doon. There's no more update ever since nung nag-update sila na ni-review ng USCIS yung documents ko. And then the kids had biometric today, which I am expecting that maybe later they will be updating the case also to review. So, mga ganon. So, we're just gonna wait for another update. I know a lot of you guys are very curious. Meron pa nga nagtanong sa akin about like, why it happens na hindi mo dala yung anak mo sa interview sa embassy. I think it was really listed there in the website na if your kids are under 14 years old, you don't have to really bring it with you during the interview. Only those 14 above that you have to take with you during the interview. So, na-explain ko yun kanina, diba? What time is it? 12:21 na. Gosh. Ang lamig kanina. We got out here. Mga 60 degrees outside. I think mga 60 something. Ang lamig po kanina. If you notice us guys, when we arrived in Austin, in the building, naka-coat na ako and everything because it was really cold. Very cold. And windy pa konti. So yung wind na ano sa mukha mo talagang lamig. Anyway, I'm craving for a pancit canton. So I'm cooking pancit canton right now. So hindi ako mag-rice. I'll just add egg. O, di ba pang breakfast naman sana yung pancit canton. But I feel like I'm gonna eat today. Pancit canton. Pero hindi na ako kakain mamaya ng dinner. So ito na lang yung kakainin ko. Wala na si Bill, by the way guys. Pumunta na siya. Physical therapist earlier. So sinubukan kong gamitin yung aming dryer. If ever. I hope. Oh my gosh. It's really like giving me now frustration. That's because, like I said earlier, 3 loads of clothes yung nilabhan ko, diba? Winash ko. And then, of course, ang dami ng 3 loads, guys. So, anong gagawin ko? Wala kaming, sabi ni Bill kanina na, sige, ilabas mo na lang yun para ihalay sa gawas ba? But then, I realized, wala kami ng rope. Kasi hindi nga uso dito sa kanila na magsampay sa labas. Sabi niya, meron akong rope. Hinanap ko, wala akong makitang rope. And then, tatawagan ko yun guys. 15 minutes, tapos na yun sa kanyang appointment. Magpapabili ako ng rope para malabas namin yung clothes. Kasi kung hindi ko yun ilalabas, basa guys. Tas spin naman sila, pero basa pa rin, damp pa rin siya. Kung hindi ko yan malalabas, I'm sure yung amoy niya will be super bad. And then, sinubukan kong gamitin, it's the same thing. Wala talaga siyang ibubuga na mainit. It's just like, it's working, yes, but hindi siya mainit. So, hindi talaga siya nakaka-dry. So, nakakainis. Ngayon pa talaga, naglaba talaga ako. Actually, ano ko na yan na-over. Napansin ko na yan nung nakaraan. Pero, binaliwala ko lang ba? So, but now, parang, I was like, nangyari na naman. So, sabi ko sa kanya, sinabi ko talaga kay Belle yun, na yun nangyari. So, ang gagawin niya kasi, i-check niya yung dryer. Kasi yung husband ko, multi yung husband ko guys. Hindi lang yan nagkakarate. Karpentero / whatever na ipapagawa mo niyan. Gagawin. As long as he had the tools. That's why nga pumunta kami doon sa Lowe's kanina para makabili kami ng parang tester sa electricity ba. Kasi bubuksan niya yung dryer na yan. Kasi kung hindi talaga namin siya, I don't know, kung hindi talaga siya mafi-fix. Mayroon pa siyang sinabi sa akin na bibiling parts. Kung kailangan, bibili siya ng parts. But then if wala talaga, bibili kaming bagong dryer. Diba? Sunod-sunod po yung mga major expenses na mga pinag-ano namin guys. This month ay good luck na lang. Honestly, ang laki po talaga ng expenses namin this month. Yeah, this month. Ay, nalata. Over. Ay, nako. Meron akong nilutong egg dito. Tingnan nyo yung lutuan namin ng egg. O, diba? Ang cute. Electric. Dito ako nagluluto ng egg. Saksak ko lang yan. Lagyan ng maliit ng tubig. Konting tubig. And then, ayan. Actually, luto na siya kasi kanina pa to. Yun. 2 egg lang. Nakita ko yung rope na guys. Ayan, yung ginawa ko. Tingnan nyo. What am I doing? A Filipina in the USA. Hanging clothes outside. Because I have no choice. We need to fix our dryer first. If we couldn't be able to fix it, then Belle has no choice but to buy a new one. But right now, this is just a temporary thing because we have to really put it outside to dry it. Because if we are not gonna do that, alam niyo na, yung smell ng damp clothes inside, it will be very bad. But yeah, yung mga kapitbahay dito baka sinasabi na anong ginagawa ng babaeng to. But yes, not normal in the USA, but we'll be fine. I'll be fine. Kita nyo yun? Like the green one, yan, mga tape na yan. Nakatape na yung mga sides. So, itong side na to, it's ready for painting. But, sabi kasi di ba, unahin ko muna yung kids' room. So, I already started to put tape on the ceiling. Tatapusin ko siya, guys. Meron pa ako dapat ilalagay, pero wala na kaming spice. Dito na yung asawa ko. Scenario, I just finished painting this one on that side. So, kita nyo yung changes, guys. I think it's better to, do the second coat. Because here, ito yung pinipaint ni Belle. Kita nyo yung mga spots there na hindi niya napipaint yung wall. But right now, yeah, it's very even. So, I'm just so happy with the result. And that is really what we wanted. Like, we achieve the right color. If you see like a little spot, maybe, I don't know. That's because yung paint dyan is basa pa siya. Ang hirap mag-paint ha, like my bed na dito kasi hindi ko siya mailabas because the kids needs to sleep also. So what I did today is just I finished painting this and a little bit here, and then I will just finish it tomorrow because I have to continue putting this tape also for the entire bedroom and also to the area here. So, ayan guys. I know it's messy, but oh gosh, walang katapusan to. We will be finished. Hindi man mabilis, but we will be done. I hope very soon.
It's a very poor copy, so maybe there's something there, but I don't see it.
The best teacher, me or daddy? She's like, I'm just being careful what to say, or else mom won't cook food for me.
She's getting a lot of this kind of stuff. She's probably lucky that I minored in geography.
What subject is that?
There's no.
What subject is this?
Well, I'd say geography, just because they're asking a lot of questions that had to do with maps and
Directions.
things, but it might be language arts or something like that. Practice. She's practicing cursive writing, elements of maps.
Magaling talaga na pag andito si daddy.
Weather data, which grade 3 science. Looks like a little check.
Which one?
This one.
Power.
Put a monkey in the northwest. I guess that's an okay monkey. Put a boy in the southeast.
Boy? What?
Put a car in the northeast.
Okay.
That looks more like a truck than a car.
Working on the board to finish all of this because we needed to put everything on the side na you seen my vlog before, guys, na tambak yung mga gamit namin. But yeah, I think this is the last thing that we have to do. On the corner, on that corner also, so Belle purchased this one. This is called table saw. Right? Table saw.
Yeah.
Ito yung binili niya. I think he got this one from Lowe's. And then, ito din. Sa Lowe's din niya ito binili, guys. And then, so yeah, he needs to cut it. And we have to paint it also. Ultra white. Kasi yung nakikita nyo yan, it's white. But it's actually primer. Primer lang yung nakalagay. So it has to be painted with white. And maganda yung cutter. I love that cutter, by the way. Super nice. Very convenient to use. Fast also. And then, purchased this today in Home Depot. Ito yung, this one is also for nail gun. Para mas mabilis mag-gun yung ano ba, yung wood. So, yan. Mabilis na tayo. Ito na lang kasi, guys, para matapos na. Naiinis na talaga ako. Ganda talaga pag may tools when you are renovating house. better to get tools, machine, whatever you call that one. Because if you do it manually, ay maraming mistake. Ito talagang maganda, malinis yung pagka-work niya, guys. And it's worth getting. May pagka konting mahal nga lang, but yeah, it's worth it.